This was part of a grant from Dixie State University. It was a grant for community engagement. We purchased these cars. The students are rebuilding the cars, and then we will donate the cars back to children that need them in the community in Washington County.
We decided to do this Go Baby Go program here at Dixie State because we wanted to look for community involvement that we could do with our students. This is just the first step. We're going to be building the cars today, and then from here we're going to bring in actual patients that we've had at the hospital and adapt the cars even more for these kids.
We're over at Dixie University today with the physical therapy assistant program, switch adapting toy cars for kids. So we've got 8 cars and 17 students. We go all over throughout Utah and in the community and help individual families or groups and organizations, so like the university here, to be able to teach them how to do it for clients in their community and just teach them why we do it and how to do it.
So what we're doing here is we're creating cars that will function as powered wheelchairs for children with disabilities. We rewire them, we add harnesses in for support, and we teach little kids that have disabilities how to use them to improve their mobility. These kids are 2-3 years old. They're not old enough for a wheelchair yet, a powered wheelchair, but they know how to drive these cars, and it gives them mobility and independence in their life.